Looking to supercharge your Shopify store with extra functionality? Welcome to the Foxify tutorial by Foxcom. In this video, we'll show you how to integrate any Shopify app into your Foxify pages. Whether you're adding email marketing tools, pre-order options, or social media integrations, integrating Shopify apps into your Foxify templates can help you provide powerful new features. Today, we'll cover 2 ways to integrate apps into your Foxify pages, using app extensions, the easy, code-free way, and using custom code when apps aren't available in the extensions market. Let's get started. Method 1, using Foxify's app extensions. First, let's use the app extensions feature, which is the easiest way to integrate apps. In this example, we'll be using the FoxKit all-in-one upsell cross-sell app, specifically its volume discount feature. First, go to your Shopify admin, search for FoxKit in Apps, and click Install to add. Note that, before using the app widget in Foxify, you have to install it in your Shopify store and configure the app settings. Next, open the Foxify app. Go to the app extension section, and search for FoxKit again in the list. Click Install Extension to integrate it with Foxify. Now, head to the Foxify page editor, click Add Elements, and scroll down to the App Block section. You'll see FoxKit already available here. Just drag and drop the block to the section where you want the discount feature to appear. Then click Save, and you're all set. Finally, the preview to check the feature. Sometimes, the app you want to use may not appear in the app extensions. No worries. You can still add apps manually using custom code. Method 2, manually embed the app using custom code, in case it isn't supported via app extensions yet. First, find the document that has the guide and take the snippet code. If the document does not have it, you need to contact the app support team and ask for the embed code or liquid snippet, and make sure to let them know you're using a page builder app so they provide the correct code for your setup. Once you have the code, go back to the Foxify editor, select Add Elements, and add a code element. Drag and drop it to any section of the page where you want the app to appear. Once you have done, hit Save Publish. Your third-party app is now integrated into your page. Whether you use app extensions or custom code, integrating Shopify apps into Foxify is simple and powerful. If you need help or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via live chat. We're always happy to assist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips on building your store with Foxify. Thanks for watching.